Hello everyone, it's just a dad. Today I'm going to do an unboxing and a review on this Fanttik V10 Apex cordless vacuum cleaner. Here's everything that comes in the box. We do get a couple attachments. We do get a USB-C cable. We're going to charge it with that. Extra filter. So here's the actual vacuum. You're going to press this button. It comes all folded up, but when you want to use it, press this button and you can put it in all kinds of different positions. That's actually really, really nice, and it locks into those positions. But the first thing you're going to want to do is charge it up. It comes with about 50% charge. Now, it doesn't come with the wall charger. You've got to plug that into a wall charger. But then it's got a nice display up here to show us the percentage that it's already charged. I've already charged mine up. It was about 50%. And for the Apex, it needs 5 volts, 3 amps, 9 volts, 2 amps, or 12 volt, 1.5 amp, PD 18 watts. All right, let's go over some of the features. It does have a built-in crevice tool. You can pop that out. There's the built-in crevice tool. When you want to store it, press that and store it. Now, when you want to empty it out, it's simply right here. Empty it out, everything's going to come out. You can take this all apart and clean it. Press this button right here, and this is going to come off. So once in a while, you will have to clean this filter. It does come with an extra filter. You will have to rinse it off, let that dry overnight. We can take this out. And again, you can rinse all of this out in the sink, but then make sure it dries in the sun. And then put it all back together. There's these little notches right here. Take the filter, put the filter in. Finding the position can be a little tricky, but you're going to push it on. So you want to find this big notch right here. There's a little groove that's going to go into that, and then that's what you're pushing to release it. So find that, start off to the side of it. It's a little hard to see. Start off, you're going to have to rotate it. Okay, so see how it's flush. Now rotate it to lock it. You're going to rotate that in there to lock it. Now when I want to take it off, it rotates out and then comes out. So that's how you put it back on. And again, it's got 2 levels. Turn it on. Starts off in low. Press the plus button right here, and it goes to high. A lot of suction. The light is on automatically all the time. You can't turn the light on or off. Again, turn it on, low. Now this is like a duster. That's really, really soft. These are a little bit more aggressive. You can put that on, and you can store one on the back if you'd like. Probably this way. Okay. Now it does come with a really nice soft bag. You could store this in this bag. It's very big. It's got drawstrings. That's just a really, really nice feature that these come with a bag. Okay, overall length is right around 18, almost 19 inches. Height, about 6. Left to right is about 5 1/4, but let's fold it all up. Height is now about 6, about 12, and you got the same left to right, about 5 1/4. I love the feature that it folds up. So let's see how well it does with some vacuuming, some dust and debris. Okay, so we got a really big mess here. It's got a built-in crevice tool. I can also change out the nozzles here, but I'll put this one, it's like a stiff brush. So let's try it off in low first. All right, it's doing a great job. Wow, that's got a lot of suction even in low. Let's go to high. Wow, it's doing a great job. Man, that did a great job. Okay, so when you're all done, take it to the trash can and everything's going to come out. Then you're ready to go for next time. So I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.